The United Kingdom, they say, offers everything one could desire. A rich tapestry of art, culture, education, sports, and above all, a place to call home. Today, let us introduce you to a special corner of this incredible nation. Street LN5, the ultimate student accommodation in the charming city of Lincoln. Nestled in the heart of the city, Street LN5 presents a splendid 4-bedroom student house, opening the gateway to an extraordinary academic journey. Imagine waking up in a sun-kissed bedroom that's entirely your own, furnished with a cozy bed, a meticulously organized wardrobe, ample storage space, a thoughtfully designed desk and chair, and blazing fast internet at your fingertips. Step outside and the world is at your doorstep. A short drive will take you to the gates of the prestigious University of Lincoln and Bishop Grosseteste University. And for your inner foodie, venture down the street to discover a delightful eatery within a minute's walk. But should you wish to explore further, a bus stop right across the street connects you to all major routes. This is your time to shine in the UK, and it begins right here. Book your spot today at amberstudent.com and let Street LN5 be your chapter of comfort, camaraderie, and home.